Today we are going to see one sweet recipe, Malpua. Malpua is an North Indian traditional sweet recipe. It is made of during festivals and occasion time, street food also. There are many different Malpua recipes you will find across states in India. Actually, main ingredients in Malpua they are using, the first one is the all-purpose flour, sugar and baking soda. You know how these things are not good for our health. So here I am going to replace these ingredients with healthy ingredients. All-purpose flour is going to replace with millet flour. Here the millet flour, actually you can take any one type of millet flour. Don't mix all the millet flours. You can take Kodu millet flour or little millet flour or barnyard millet flour or foxtail millet flour. Any one type of these millet flours which gives the good Malpua sweet. So you can take any one millet flour. Then coming to the sugar, you know white sugar is bad for our health. So I am replacing that white sugar with jaggery powder and baking soda. Normally baking soda is used to make the dishes fluffy kind of thing. So here instead of baking soda, I am fermenting the batter for 4 hours. So in this recipe, we avoided all unhealthy ingredients and replaced with healthy ingredients and making the Malpua recipe. Let's see how to make Malpua recipe using millets. By the way, you are thinking who is C? Actually, C is the little angel. She is very much interested to do these videos, millet videos and tasting the millet recipes. He is coming forward volunteering these videos and tasting the recipes. Her name is Bhairavi. She is studying 3rd standard. Now itself she started to cooking and she started to assisting her mom, and she is very much interested in millets and all. Though she doesn't know about the millet benefits and all, she likes millet taste, its textures and all. Yes, so this is the good outcome from these videos. Let's see how to make a sweet Malpua. (100 grams little millet flour, 4 tablespoons of homemade unsweetened condensed milk, 1 pinch of salt. Now add milk. Mix all without lumps. Little bit. It has to be fermented for 4 hours. It is mixed well without lumps. After 4 hours, the batter is ready. This consistency required. It's a dosa consistency. Suppose if it is thicker means you have to add some more water to make it dosa consistency. So this consistency is enough to make Malpua. Take 100 grams of jaggery powder. Add a little water. Enough. Add cardamom powder. This is the consistency to make jaggery syrup. There is the free flow of water like this. Actually now I am going to add ghee for frying Malpua. If you want deep fry means you can add more ghee, but I don't want to do deep fry. I am going to do shallow fry only. If you want shallow fry means you can add 1/4 level of ghee. That's enough. Deep fry means you can add more ghee. See, I am going to make a Malpua. Take 1 full of batter in a spoon and pour it. You can flip it next side.
Both sides should be brown. See, look at now. See, it is outside is very crispy and center fluffy.
Keep your stove on low flame. See, look at this. Malpua is ready. Malpua pancake is ready. Next, we are going to dip into sugar syrup. This syrup should be hot or warm. Then only this malpua can absorb the sugar.
See, it's sugar coated for 5 minutes. Now next we have to topping with dry fruits. Now topping with dry fruits.